Hello everyone, welcome back. This is question number 11 of my school mathematics examination, and I want to solve this very quickly. It says if sine x equals to cosine x, what is the value of x in your radians? So if I have sine x is equals to cos x, remember complementary angle, we have that cos x is equals to sine 90 minus x because they are complementary to each other. So I can replace cos x with sine 90 minus x, right? So I'll have that sine x is equals to sine 90 minus x. So if sine x is equals to sine 90 minus x, it simply means that x is equals to 90 minus x. I'll take this one over to this side. I'll have that x plus x is equals to 90. 2x is equals to 90. Dividing both sides by 2, I will have that my x is equals to 45 degrees. So I've gotten the value of x to be 45 degrees, right? But we are told to get the value of x in radian, right? Remember, pi radian is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, let me just do that super. 2 pi r, the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is equal to what? 300 in degrees, equals to 360 degrees, right? This r is radius, so we can use it to replace the radian now, right? Dividing this both sides by 2. If I divide it by 2, divided by 2, so I have that pi radian is equals to 180 degrees. So therefore, one rad is equals to 180 over pi. Therefore, and also 1 degree, this is in degree, right? So therefore 1 degree will be equals to pi over 180 radian. Okay, so now we have 45 degrees. So if 1 degree is equals to pi over 180 rad, so 45 degree will be 45 multiplied by pi over 180. So therefore 45 degrees, which is s, will now be equals to 45 times pi over 180 rad. Okay, I can start breaking it down now. 9 here will give me 5. 9 here will give me 20. 5 here will give me 1. 5 here will give me 4. So therefore, my x is equals to pi over 4 rad. So that is the answer to this question. So therefore, 45 degrees is equals to pi over 4 radian. Let's move on to question number 12.